welcome back on another video, and you're watching Perry Tillon. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to visit the Cape Breton sailing charter tours, which is located in St. Peter's, Nova Scotia, and it's just a 30 minutes ride from town Port Hawkesbury. The viewers who are new on the channel, so please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload new videos you get notified. So now, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So guys, here are my final thoughts on the sailboat tour. The tour was 3 hours long and it cost $300 plus HST, so which is around $362. The interesting part is the Captain Greg, he lets you sail the boat. You can control the boat with the helm or the big wheel, and while you're sailing the boat he guides you. So there are a lot of gauges on the sailboat which tells you from which direction the wind is coming. If you guys want to do these tours, I'll leave a link in the description down below. You can book these tours online. Actually, they have different tours, sunset tours. Some of them are like full day private tours and some of them are like a half day, like 3 hours. While I was sailing the boat, the Captain Greg, he guided me very nicely. Actually, there's the navigation on the board and it tells you from where you have to pass the boat, because some of the places underneath not enough water and some of the places there are submerged islands, so you don't want to cross from the top of that. So the map tells you from where to sail the boat. The sailboat was 35 feet long and it weighed 8 tons. The sailboat has the kitchen, the washroom, the dining room, the living room, and it has a beautiful long deck to enjoy those beautiful views. When you do this tour, you will see a lot of islands and you'll get knowledge how to sail a boat and how the sailing works. I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, so please give the thumbs up. If you're new on the channel, so please do subscribe our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.